So, do you want to make a few money with dropshipping? Drive a Lambo like everyone you follow? Get the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want, to work from wherever you want? Don't believe everything you see. It's possible, but it's not easy. So, you need to put on a lot of work to do that. It's not quick cash. Dropshipping is not quick cash, it's a business. I'm sorry to say it. You need to master design, marketing, customer service, and a lot more. But you can do it. If you put down like 2 years of your life and dedicate it to the e-com, you will be a master and you will have skills like no one else that can take you far from e-com in the future. So who am I speaking? My name is Ecom by Nick. I have done e-com since 2008. I've done multi 5-figure, 6-figure brands like this one, no, that one, and that one. And I'm right now in the progress of selling one brand. Like, I will do a video about that also in the future, of course, when it's done. I can't say so much more right now, but I'm doing this right now. This is my work. My life is ecom right now. I'm not here to sell anything to you. I'm just love talking ecom. So let's talk a little bit ecom. I just share my thoughts and my experience. But let's say you want to start with ecom now. I will be honest now, not like any guru telling you to start with $100. Of course, you can start with $100, but you won't succeed with $100 because you can start. That's almost almost free to start with ecom nowadays. But let's say you find a winner. What we're going to do with $100? You can do anything. So let's talk some real facts about this business. So the first thing that I already mentioned is that you need money. I would say minimum $1,000 to start and a steady income, so you can keep putting in money to your business. And most important, don't take money from your business in the start. So you can keep the profit in the business and you can scale. You will also need some type of credit. It will help a lot with a credit card for ads, and you will also get points to use. So in this case, it's good with a credit card. The money you need is not, like I said, not to start. Start you can do easy. To test some products, you only need a few $100s, and to build a store, you don't need anything. You will get Shopify for 3 months now for $1. And I have a link to it in my description, of course. But we are talking about freedom here, not to do like $100 or do some change. We're talking about freedom to do a few money. Then you need to build a business, find a winner, and you need money to scale. Because when the sales starts rolling in, the problem starts rolling in, and that's really how it works. And I think no one really tells you this, and I haven't seen it on YouTube so much, so I think it's time to talk about these problems. First thing that will happen, let's do like this. First, Shopify holds. That's the first thing that will happen. They are holding 20% of your money for 120 days, and this will happen. It has happened on almost all my stores. When the sales start coming in, and they see that you are drop shipping, you can be sure that you will get a mail like this. Yeah. And they will hold your money for 120 days. You can prevent it a little bit by when you do register the Shopify payment, you do it with a company, and maybe if you have some more stores under the same company and everything, they see that it's working good. Then maybe you can get like 10% hold for 90 days or something, but you will get hold. And if you do everything perfect, you can reach out to Shopify after like 90 days, and they will release it, or maybe release a small portion of it or something like that. But it's quite hard to talk to them, so you can count on getting a hold. And then we have PayPal, of course. If you use PayPal, you sell in Europe or in the US, you need to use PayPal in the start, especially Europe. If you sell like a German market or something like that, you need PayPal. And they would put a limit on your account directly and hold a lot of your money. I have mad stories about that, about PayPal, and PayPal holds that is insane. You also have Klarna if you settle on in Scandinavia or UK. If you get too much complaints there, they will just shut down Klarna from you without even without even telling you. So one day the cells just stop, and you, well, what happened? And then you think, okay, I will check the checkout on my store, and you check it, and Klarna is not here. So yeah, that's almost what's going to happen. And if you sell in Scandinavia, if they shut down Klarna, you can't sell. All these problems have solutions, of course, but it takes time and it's a lot of work. I will make a video in the future, or also when I share solutions from one of my stores that almost get all these problems I talked about. It was a crazy, crazy bump ride, but so I had to solve everything on the way, and I will share that in a video. Then you have next thing, that is ad accounts. Meta will ban your ad account, and they will ban your business account, and finally they will ban you from Meta platform. I don't say it will happen, but likely you will get your ad account banned. I haven't had so much problem with this, actually. But I know a lot of people that who had. But on TikTok, I have had the pleasure to get banned, and get my ad accounts banned, and also closed down to verify. And that's like perfect. You're in the middle of scaling, everything goes perfect, and one day the cells stop. And you're, what's happening? You go in, your TikTok ad account don't work, and then you just get a message, you need to verify it, and it takes 2 weeks, and the momentum is gone. So yeah, this is what often what's happened. Um, the solution of this is, of course, agency accounts, but that's very expensive, especially in the start. And when you sell, your ad accounts will go up really fast, and you need to handle this because Meta, TikTok, Google, Pinterest, or wherever you are advertising, they won't wait until you get paid to get paid. You will work up a credit, of course, with them, but this platform's best solution for this is, like I said, a credit card. So yeah. Next thing is fulfillment issues. Here you have a lot of issues, of course. Fulfillment partners. If you use any of these great platforms that all the gurus promote to get their cashbacks, most likely your customer will get the wrong product or wrong color, and any issue you can think about. Or you find a personal agent and you think everything is perfect. Let's scale, and you have like 1,000 orders, and then you get a message that the manufacturer is out of stock. Good luck. Yeah, or they don't ship, or they ship, but it's really really slow, or they ship bad quality. It's so many issues you can have with the fulfillment. So it's so important that you find a good agent that you trust and can work with. For the back end of the store is really the bones. The fulfillment part need to do quality checks all the time, because sometimes it's not just the agent you work with. Sometimes it's the manufacturer who, when you have sold like 10,000 orders, and they are thinking, I can make $1 more for each order, so they lower the quality to do cheaper, without telling you anything, and suddenly your customers get another product. So you need your agent to do quality checks all the time. I have a really good agent, so of course if you can DM me on Instagram and I will hook you up with them. It's no problem. Also related to economics, we have your local bank. they don't like dropshipping. They don't like dropshipping, and they don't like that you doing business with China. So they can close your account, your business account. When I started my business here in Scandinavia, I had to go to 4 banks before any of them wanted to work with me, because I buy from China. Then you have spending limits on your cards. That's also a real problem when you scale, and your cost of ads will go up to like $5,000, $10,000 a day. The bank will issue a red flag directly, and then your card will be stop working. So the solution to this is many cards. Also credit cards. That's a more fine with the high daily spend. So again, credit cards. You need credit cards. Finally, we also have, of course, customer service. Customer service would be a headache with dropshipping. Of course, you're doing dropshipping. The shipping is slow. Even if you have a good agent like mine, and you buy inventory, you can get it down to like 5-7 days. That's really good for dropshipping from China. And you're very clear on your store to the customers. It's said all the time, this takes 7 days. You send an email directly after the order. It will take 7 days. You're still gonna get the mail from the customer after 2 days. Where's my product? I have already paid for it. Yeah, of course you have. You have made an order, but you will get this mail. So customer service is a headache, and that's actually the first thing I always outsource on all my stores, because I don't want a headache. The customer service can really put you in a bad mood. So that's why I outsource it, because I need good energy for all the other problems. And it's, of course, it's more problem you will face. You will face a lot more problems, but this is the most common one, 5 most common ones. It will feel like everyone is against you. Everyone hates dropshipping. No one wants you to succeed. That's how it's gonna feel. So with all these problems, am I telling you not to start and not do ecom, not do dropshipping? No, not really. But you need to know that you will struggle. You will struggle financially and emotionally. You will struggle. But when you succeed, it is amazing, of course. It is the best revenge feeling, and the reward is freedom. So are you willing to put in the work and go through all these problems, and everyone is telling you not to do this, and willing to put the time needed and work extra jobs in the start, everything like that, then you will succeed. I really know that, and I believe that. So it's a little bit special video today. Not what I usually do. Usually I'm just working, and you will see me working, but I will start making more videos like this also, when I just talk from my experience from the business. And I will fix a better light, of course, for it. So if you have what it takes and want more content like this, press subscribe, of course. Don't give up, you will succeed. I know that. And subscribe. Link in the description also to Shopify, of course. Yeah, that was it for this video. See you in the next one.